Suspension-NXT takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension-NXT doesn't compromise on function, with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension-NXT is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
This is the crucial. For in your pack or your pocket, this tool is packed with function and designed for action. Its large, partially serrated knife blade opens quickly with one hand using the large thumb stud. Stainless steel handles butterfly open to reveal long, versatile needle nose pliers that include a wire cutter. The ergonomically curved handles deliver a solid grip and increased torque. Also on board are sturdy Phillips and flathead drivers, a carabiner clip that doubles as a bottle opener, and a handy clip. All the features you want, none you don't. This is the crucial.
My knife isn't just a knife. It's a commanding, high-precision, lightweight EDC. A fast-opening folder with a cutting-edge stainless steel semi-serrated blade designed to cut through harder materials faster. The skeleton-style G10 glass-reinforced handle has curves in all the right places, giving me a safe and secure ergonomic feel, like it was custom-made to fit my grip. Clip it to my belt or drop it in my pocket. My knife is like a friend who's ready for anything. And when it's go time, it snaps open with the flick of my thumb and locks up for business. That means there's no spring assist. So my knife's legal in any state, and I never have to worry about it failing me. It's a tactical and practical solution that puts me in control. My knife isn't just a knife, it's what a knife should be. An extension of my hand that can bear almost anything. The Atomic Bear. That's my knife.
Hi everybody, welcome back to the Civivi Studio USA. Today I've got a brand new knife to take a look at with you that is extremely unique. It's got some really fun features. This is called the Civivi Crit. This guy is a front flipper, but that's not a knife. This is a knife. So come in and take a close look at this, and I'm going to show you how it works with the front flipper on both ends with a blade and a multi-tool on the other side. This is a really cool piece, the Civivi Crit. Okay guys, this is a bit of a departure from most of the styles that have been coming out recently by Civivi. So this is a really fun one to take a look at. I guess I might as well show you on this side that we're looking at right here. You can see that it's got a new style of pocket clip. It's got that bent wire design held in with the screw. That is the first of that style on a Civivi. Now another first is the dual-sided knife design here, where we've got the blade on one side and the multi-tool on the other. Now your multi-tool's got a bottle opener, some wrenches, a seatbelt cutter, and then a flathead screwdriver on the one end, and similar like a flathead screw driving tool on the end of it there. So this is really a versatile little tool to add to your pocket with that seatbelt cutter and the flathead screwdriver that could be used to pry if needed. But obviously on the other side, you've got a really nice Nitro V blade with a great EDC style shape to it, full flat grind and a stone-washed finish. The Crit comes in 3 different materials. We've got the black G10, the natural G10, and the green micarta. All 3 of these versions are available right now. The unique thing about the way that this knife works is it is a liner lock. So as you can see, the liner on the Crit is right in the middle of the knife, and the same liner is used to lock both ends, which is a really cool, really unique design. You've got caged ceramic ball bearings on both the blade and the multi-tool, and you can see those in there. So you've got the post on one side of the blade, and then the blade with the ceramic ball bearings. And then on the other side of the knife, you've got another post on the opposite side, and then the bearings and the multi-tool. So it's a really unique design here, the way that this is put together. And both sides, the blade and the multi-tool, have an extremely smooth action. They are both front flippers. So you can see you've got the tab on there for both sides with a little bit of jimping on the front there so that you can get a hold of that and flip it out. Now the specs on this thing are a little bit deceiving because you've got an overall length of 10.43 inches. Now that is with both blades open. Your cutting blade is 3.18 inches. With a blade thickness of 0.10 inches. The handle length is 4.25 inches. And the width on this is just a little bit wider than most of the Civivi knives because it does have the 2 sides to it. It is 0.61 inches. The weight on the micarta version is 3.44 ounces, and on the G10 versions it is 3.61 ounces. One of the fun things that I like about this knife and multi-tool is that you actually can fidget with something that is not sharp. So it's kind of fun to play with this multi-tool portion. You can flip this thing out and just play with it, knowing that it's not a sharp blade. It's kind of fun. Also, you actually get the Civivi logo. Because you have 2 pivots on this knife, you get the logo on both sides of the knife, which I just thought was pretty cool. Guys, one thing I almost forgot to mention, this multi-tool, these are prototypes that I have right here. The actual production version will have a ruler right along the edge of the multi-tool right here. So we've got a photo of the production version that we're going to go ahead and throw in here so that you can see that. But again, there will be just a ruler right on the edge of this multi-tool. Thanks for taking a look at the new Civivi crit with me today, guys. Once again, we've got the multi-tool on one side, we've got the blade on the other, both front flippers. Great action on these things, an extremely useful package right here. You're gonna find these at dealers for right around 75 bucks. The MSRP on these is 85 for the G10 versions and 87 for the micarta. These are available right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.